So this is the Bailey Pegasus Grande Black Edition Portofino. So this is a single axle, 4-berth, 8-foot wide caravan, but it's very lightweight. It weighs around 1,600 kilos, that's MTPLM, which means you can tow it with something like a Volvo XC60. The interior layout is split into 3 distinct sections, so let's go inside and take a look. The interior of the Portofino is split into 3 distinct sections. We have the bedroom at the back, washroom in the middle, lounge, kitchen to the front. Now, talking of the lounge, it's an incredibly comfortable place to be thanks to the fact that all these are sprung. They're not just foam, everything's sprung, so if you're using it for lounging during the day or sleeping at night, you're going to be incredibly comfortable. Talking of comfort, you can see where the extra width comes into play, this being an 8-foot wide caravan, because you're not going to be knocking knees with anyone here at all, regardless of how tall they are. Now, evening time, if you're having a bite to eat, you can simply use this pull-out table here or combine it with a freestanding table to give yourself lots of room if you're traveling with guests or family members. And when it's time to go to bed, these can be used as single beds or can be made up into a simply enormous double. And if you want to keep your devices topped up, there are simply loads of charging points, whatever your requirements may be. The extra width from the 8-foot wide caravan translates really well into the kitchen area. There's a new Peninsula kitchen worktop which gives you 25% more space. Now, cooking options, microwave, dual fuel hob, separate grill, separate oven, you're obviously covered there. Or with that extra worktop space, you could take your air fryer or your coffee maker either to my right or to my left above the fridge. And obviously, this is a black edition Pegasus, so we have lovely black accents to various kitchen items. The centre washroom has solid doors either end, which means you can section off the caravan. There's a separate shower cubicle to my left, and there's the loo basin storage to my right. Lots of dressing room here, which if you close this sliding door, shuts off the rear of the caravan, and if you want to close off the front of the caravan, all you do is use the sliding door. The star of the show has to be the bedroom because we have a large longitudinal island bed that has wardrobes either side. Now you've got a wardrobe each here, so you're not going to be fighting for storage space. Also cupboards either side, vanity unit to my left, and a full-length mirror to the right of the bed. Now again, being an 8-foot wide caravan, you really do feel that extra width, lots of room to get down either side of the bed, and there's a new door as well to the bathroom, which gives you even more space at the foot of the bed. Now the bed is pushed back at the moment, it's in day mode, but this pulls out and it makes into a genuine king-size bed. So in summary, the Black Edition Portofino is a 4-berth, 8-foot wide caravan. They're still relatively lightweight, just 1,600 kilos. So if you want that interior luxury in a caravan, but you want to tow it with your everyday tow car, this could be for you.